Part 2, guys. Old cupboards with the old wallpaper. So this is probably kitchen, I would say. Babe, don't leave me. Wait. Come here. Hello. Just taking photos.
This is a wrong basement. Yeah, fucking basement.
There's crickets in here or something. What?
There's a basement here somewhere. What was that, man?
Oh, what the hell was that?
No, it's just the door blind. Oh. Yeah. You could even be under the bed. Fucking are they? I'm older than you guys.
What, is there no way from the back?
Oh, it's weird because
That's cool, like an old doorbell or something.
they wouldn't cover it up, surely. Oh, there it is. In here.
Oh, yeah. Sorry guys, it's dark in here.
Maybe? Yeah.
Yeah, oh.
What place to have it?
Hideout room.
Yeah.
Why is there a cup thing right there? That's where it would be. Because you would have had handles or something to pull it up, or you could only get it. So you can't get in there at all from underground.
No. No, it's concrete enough for that. From what I saw.
Babe. Oh my god. Matt, you can get stuck.
Maybe
Scared the shit out of me. I thought we couldn't get out for a minute. It's a bathroom or something.
Yeah, I don't know. Because you've got two, and then in the middle of the house, is where we were staying.
And you sure you can't get from under there?
Yeah, no.
Then it's obviously in the lounge room.
What? What's that light door there? What door? I need to know the room. Maybe it was this one the missing floor, you can see.
Nothing in the freezer. Oh, stinks. Nothing in the fridge. Oh, were you looking for the hole that go?
Yeah, it goes into here.
See, the one that's under there, can you get into that way?
Yeah,
Or is it just the same?
What we're saying was just this room. Yeah.
Oh.
Because we were down low, we thought it was a potential place. We thought we had a bit of a Narnia situation going on.